So oftentimes when I'm shooting videos at homes and I post it on YouTube or post it on Instagram, I always get comments about how small the backyards are, especially in Summerlin. And the reason for that is the builders are trying to put as many homes as they can on an acre of land. And I'm telling you, for how much acres of land cost in Las Vegas, I promise you, if they were only putting 2 or 3 homes on an acre of land, you would not want to pay those prices. So really what the builders are trying to do is keep the price down. But you know what? I get it, man. I don't like small backyards either. But you know what? Not all backyards in Las Vegas are small. There are many pockets in Las Vegas that have huge backyards, huge lots. And you know what? Today, I'm gonna have a treat for you. I'm gonna show you one. Well, thanks for following me here. I love being able to show off these type of properties just because so many neighborhoods in Las Vegas have cookie cutter houses that are so close to each other. I really, really, really do have a treat for you guys. Let's go check it out. Welcome to 7199 Ranchito Circle. Over 11,000 square feet of living space. 7 bedrooms, a full detached guest house, 4-car garage, pool, spa, tennis court, basketball court, tons of gardens, tons of mature landscaping. You guys know how I feel about natural stone fireplaces, and this has a doozy. This is a 2-way fireplace that has a fireplace on the other side and a cigar wine room. But man, you could leave it natural. You could paint it white. You could paint it gray. Or like I said, just put a coat of sealer on it so it really pops the color. But man, I sure do love real stone fireplaces. So I'm in the cigar wine room here at Ranchito Circle, and man, I could really see myself sitting here having a cigar, drinking wine, entertaining with my friends. Welcome to the primary bedroom. There's an amazing office that is attached to the primary bedroom with double doors. You come into the primary bathroom where you're greeted by 2 huge walk-in closets. Then as you walk into the actual primary bathroom, you're greeted with marble floors, marble countertops, dual sinks, steam shower. You have your own bidet, and you could just spend a lot of time in this primary bathroom. So the house has a 4-car detached garage that also has attached to it the guest house. Let's go check it out. Now we're standing in the detached guest house, which has the 4-car garage attached to it that we just showed earlier. The guest house has kitchen, living room, bedroom, and bathroom. It was renovated not too long ago. As you can see, it's contemporary, it's nice and super clean. Your guests are gonna be happy here. I don't know if you're anything like me, but if you've got kids, you probably wanted to build a tree house for them. And it's not too many homes in Las Vegas that you actually can build a tree house, but this property has at least 4 trees that you could build a huge tree house in, man. Pretty cool. So this house has a full tennis court, full basketball court. It's got a gym in between, so if you feel like training, if you feel like hanging out, you could turn the gym into some sort of like brunch or eating area, entertainment area. And the walls are 8 feet tall. With the trees, it's just completely, totally private. I love it. So can you envision yourself sitting here with a cocktail, sitting here with a bottle of water or a Gatorade, but watching your friends play basketball? Man, this is great. So this property is inside the only guard-gated equestrian community in Las Vegas. I'm pretty sure. I might be wrong, but I think it is. Haven't double-checked that, but I wanted to show you the gate back here that obviously was originally made for horses. I've had a lot of interest in the property, taking out the basketball court, taking out this wall and making this a garage entrance. So if you have a lot of cars, we got the room for you. For all you young people out there, you probably don't even know what this is, but you know what? Us older people, this is how we used to have to get our water. We didn't have bottled water. We drank from one of these or a hose. But hey, you got the best of both worlds at this house. So welcome to the gym. You know what? If it looks like a UFC fighting gym, it is. This was built for fighters. You could use this for anything. You can use this space for entertaining. You could even put another guest house back here if you needed to. But, you know, having the room here, having the utilities, this amazing open wood beamed construction. I love it. My favorite room in the house.